Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Bits account on PC. Bits help build your credit with Equifax or TransUnion. To log in Bits account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.getbits.app, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Bits. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in option. Then here you can see the sign in page. Now here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Bits account on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. With that, if you haven't created your account, then you can click on create an account. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, then click on forgot your password. After entering all your credentials, click on continue. With that, you'll be able to sign in to your Bits account. This is how we can log in Bits account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.